I'm about to share with you the best advice for YouTubers that I've heard this year. Now this actually comes from a YouTuber. His name damn all that. I've seen somebody else talk about it like a little bit ago, but this other video I recently seen, to me it was just a little better, but they basically were saying the same thing. So this last video that I watched, it comes from a guy named Jay Alto, I think that's his name. And the title of his video was something to the effect of why niching down is the worst advice, right? So I watched the video, and as I'm watching it, I'm like, yeah, hell yeah, right? Because what he was saying was pretty much, it's almost common sense, or it should be common sense to YouTubers, new and old YouTubers, right? And it is, don't search for a niche, all right? Be the niche. And if you really think about that, that shit's powerful when you really analyze, what that means. Because let's be honest, right? If you, especially you new to YouTube or you've been on YouTube for a while, I'm sure you've heard, man, you got to niche down. You know what I'm saying? You got to find your niche and niche that bitch all the way down. That's the only way you're gonna do it. That's the only way you're gonna grow your channel. You got niche all the way down. So if you are into fitness, you can't just be into fitness, right? You gotta have a channel that's how to get in shape for men under the age of 30 with a bald head, right? You got niche all the way down that deep, right? That's what a lot of people teach, and that's what a lot of people try to do. They try to niche down. And what this Jay Alto was saying was, that's cool and all, you know what I'm saying? That's fine and dandy, but you'll be better off and have more sustainable success if you become the niche, instead of you constantly trying to search, for a niche and zoom in on that. Like, you'll be better off just being a niche. And it makes perfect sense, because when you really think about a lot of these successful YouTubers, you think about their name, all right? Their name means more than actually what they do, right? Think about it for a second. Like, honestly, like, I don't even watch like Mr. Beast that much. I mean, I've seen a couple of his videos, but let's be real. When you hear the name Mr. Beast, like what niche is he in? Right? What niche is Mr. Beast in? Like, even take like Elon Musk, for example. Before, it used to be like, oh, Tesla, this guy Elon Musk, like he's the creator of Tesla, right? Now Elon Musk is a brand beyond itself. Like, when you think of Elon Musk, you're like, oh yeah, Elon Musk, he's like this billionaire. Then you think about Tesla. Where years ago, before his brand was so big, you would think of Tesla, then Elon Musk. Right now, Elon Musk is like its own entity. So like, Elon Musk has become the brand, right? Like, Mr. Beast is its own brand. Like, think about all these people. The Rock, right? The Rock, he was a wrestler, right? That's how he was known. That's how I got introduced to him back in the 90s. He was a wrestler, right? But when you think about The Rock, you think of the brand, right? Let's be honest. When you say The Rock's name, there's not like a prominent movie that you think of, or you don't even think of a prominent match that he had that just stands out. No, you think of The Rock as a brand, right? And I know those are drastic examples, but why can't we be our own brand, right? That's what we should be. Like, especially after hearing that in that video, it's like, and the cool thing is, when you actually just tell yourself that you are the brand and build you, it makes creating content a lot easier. It really do. Because if you're just building your brand, people are relating to you. So that allows you to pretty much expand what you can talk about, right? Because you're not just strapped down to talking about, how to be in shape if you're a man under the age of 30 with a bald head, right? Because if you niche down and that's all you do, you're putting yourself in a box that most likely you don't want to be in. And even if you do want to be in that box for a certain period of time, eventually you're going to want to get out that box, right? And then you're going to feel stuck because you're like, well, shit, this is all I know. This is all I've been making. People going to be mad if I talk about how women can lose weight or how dudes with long hair can get in shape. These some dumbass examples, but you get what I'm saying. But if you're building your brand, it allows you to damn near talk about whatever you want to talk about, right? Because he was even in the video, the dude was even giving other examples about other YouTubers. I forget who they was, but he was saying how you don't even really think about the topics of their videos. You watch their videos for them. You know what I'm saying? Like you watch the videos for whatever they're talking about. Right? Because they are the brand. They have become the brand. Now, if you're new on YouTube or you're a small YouTuber, right? Just like myself, I'm a small YouTuber. You still can have that mentality. There is nothing stopping you from being your own brand. Whether you got 2 damn subscribers or 2,000 or 200,000, you can be your own brand. And you can start doing that today. And how you can start doing that is just by creating the content that you want to create, right? And basically just do you. And another perk, all right, about building your own brand is you don't have to worry about saturation, right? Your niche cannot be saturated no more, right? Because a lot of people talk, oh, to make money online niche, you know, it's a lot of people in there, the fitness niche, the love relationship niche, right? It's too saturated, right? Yeah, right. Boom. If you're competing with other people, right? But if you are the niche, there is no saturation, right? Your only competition is you. Think about that. Think about that. The only competition in your niche is you. So if you have been stressing yourself out over a niche and like, damn, I don't know how to niche down, but I really don't want to niche down, but I should niche down. Damn all that. Just do you.